Perfect day for some hounds to be at the park. It's not too hot, just hot enough. A little bit muggy, but very pleasant. Mum and Junior are away at a funeral. Mum's very kindly been doing such a great job of taking care of the channel, but it looks like I'm back at the helm now. Slowly getting used to my new job and my new hours. Burning the candle at both ends a bit with working and studying and all the rest of it, but I think we've got our act back together in terms of hound content. Gosh, that's a tiny little duckling. Lots of cricketers playing today. Good day for cricket. I remember being a young man standing out in the beating sunshine on the cricket pitch. Craziest thing, they always say people who are good at cricket are good at golf. I played decent level cricket when I was younger, represented our region where we lived up in the far north. Terrible at golf, never got good at golf no matter how hard I tried. Community garden's growing extremely well. The tomato plants were just tiny little shoots, and now they're just overtaking the whole planter. Millie's passed away, so that's very sad. Absolutely no signs of life. Millie's absolutely exhausted.